Hey guys. All right, we're going to keep going on our Who Am I writing project. So you need to get the paper that has like this bubble sheet on it out of your folder, and you need a pencil. So if you need to pause the video right now, go get that stuff so that we can continue working on it. All right, so what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be working on the bottom part, these of the form right now. And what your directions say is it says, now pick 6 favorite words from above and write a detailed describing sentence for each word that explains why you picked that word. I'm actually going to have you pick 5 because I'm going to give you 1 to start with, okay? But our example says, I am a mom. But my more descriptive sentence says, I give hugs, I have singing and dance parties, wash a never-ending pile of clothes, and read bedtime stories every day. Okay, so that's her detailed sentence. So we're going to do this just a little bit different than that. But your very first one is going to say, I am a student. Then your detailed sentence, so that's your sentence, you need to put some more details in. Your detailed sentence is, I am a student in Mrs. Nelson's 3rd grade class. So that's going to be your very first sentence. Okay, and I'll put that in the notebook file, so for sure we have that one right. Then after that, you need to go up and you need to pick 5 more up here in your bubble. And I added sister and I added artist after yesterday when I was still brainstorming. I added those in there. So right now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. I could add 3 more to there, but I need to pick 5 of them. So after the one that says I am a student, I decided to pick I am an artist. So I put I am an artist, whoop, right there. Now I changed this, instead of a artist, I have an artist. And here's the clue. If your noun describing you starts with a vowel, you are going to use an. If your noun that describes you starts with a consonant, you're going to use the word a. Okay, so I'm going to choose I am an artist. Now my detailed sentence is, I am an artist. I love to do painting classes. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to pick 5 nouns that describe you, write that noun on the first line, then write your sentence. When you're done with that, put it into your folder for tomorrow.